California's Burbank, AP, in a decision that shocked the entertainment world, the Walt Disney Firm announced late Sunday that former CEO Bob Iger will return to lead the company for 2 years. Bob Chapek, Iger's replacement in 2020, announced his resignation in a statement from Disney. Chapek received praise from Susan Arnold, the chair of the Disney board, for his leadership through the tremendous challenges of the pandemic. Iger was uniquely positioned, according to the director, to lead the entertainment titan through an increasingly complicated moment of industry transformation, she said. Iger, 71, oversaw Disney for 15 years while it absorbed the entertainment divisions of Pixar, Lucasfilm, Marvel, and Fox before launching its Disney Plus streaming service. Iger added, "I am incredibly pleased to be invited to head this extraordinary team once more. We have a clear objective centered on creative brilliance to inspire generations through unmatched, daring storytelling." Chapek's cost-cutting strategies and occasionally rough treatment of artists had angered Hollywood's creative community, while frequent visitors to theme parks had complained about price increases. Disney announced earlier this month that its fiscal fourth quarter performance fell short of expectations. Chapek encountered criticism at the beginning of the year for not utilizing Disney's considerable sway in Florida to stop a Republican law that would forbid instructors from teaching about LGBTQ problems to younger students. Republican Governor Ron DeSantis and Disney got into a fight over the bill. Iger first assumed leadership at Disney in 2005 when the board fired Michael Eisner, the company's fifth CEO. With daring purchases and outward expressions of admiration for the arts and the business' illustrious past, the former TV weatherman won over Wall Street and Hollywood.